Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RCBS Case Prep Center is probably one of the most sought-after reloading tools for ammunition enthusiasts who value efficiency and precision. This comprehensive guide will delve into its features, benefits, and help you determine if it's the right investment for your reloading process, covering everything from its functionalities to its overall impact on your reloading workflow, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. RCBS Trim Pro 2 Kit. Introducing the RCBS Trim Pro 2, the ultimate tool for reloading enthusiasts. It provides the accuracy you need for perfectly trimmed cases every time. This kit comes with everything you need, a durable trimmer and a set of pilots for popular calibers. Get started trimming your cases quickly and easily. It supports a wide range of calibers, including .22, .24, .25, .27, .28, .30, .35, .44, and .45. You'll be ready to trim cases for your favorite cartridges. With its user-friendly design and adjustable settings, achieving consistent results is simple. Enjoy reliable performance, time after time. Made from high-quality materials, it's built for durability and reliability. This is an investment that will serve you well for years to come. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it's the perfect tool to ensure your cases are the perfect length for optimal performance. Get the precision you deserve. What we like. It provides ultimate accuracy and is simple to operate. If you value precision and ease of use in your reloading process, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced reloaders who want consistent, reliable results. What people say. The spring-loaded universal shell holder works well and makes operation relatively fast. Adjustments are quick and accurate via hex screws. The kit includes the necessary pilots to support all major calibers. Number 4. RCBS 90375 Trim Mate. This innovative case prep center makes reloading easier than ever. It's built with high-quality materials and designed for efficiency. It is made from the highest quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. You can trust it to handle your reloading needs. It comes with everything you need: primer pocket brushes, chamfering and deburring tools, and case neck brushes. Plus, it includes dry case neck lube. Its 5 gear-driven rotating heads allow for efficient case prep and trimming simultaneously. This saves you valuable time and effort. It features stationary positions for brushes and a cupped area for lube, keeping everything organized and within easy reach. This makes your workflow smooth and efficient. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This all-in-one solution streamlines your case prep. If you're looking to save time and effort by doing multiple tasks at once, this is the best option. Its efficient design makes quick work of preparing your brass cases for reloading. What people say. The RCBS Trim Mate is very sturdy, and I like the upright tool heads. The motor provides plenty of torque, and while it isn't blazing fast, it does the job with precision and ease. The deburring and chamfering tool heads are very high in quality, and I added the RCBS Military Crimp Remover to take the primer pocket crimp off of Military 5.56 brass. It is larger than it looks, well built and very little runout on the bits that I use. This machine cuts crimp, uniforms, and cleans the primer pocket for me. With 5 stations, you can set this up to do whatever you need for case prepping. Number 3. Frankford Arsenal Platinum Case Prep Center. This innovative case prep center streamlines your reloading process. It's designed for efficiency and precision, saving you valuable time. With 4 power tool stations, it can handle up to 4 heads simultaneously. This significantly speeds up your case preparation workflow. The included hardened high-speed steel tools, chamfer, deburring, and primer pocket scrapers, will stay sharp for thousands of rounds. They ensure consistent, high-quality results. Its 200 RPM output shafts prep brass quickly and efficiently. You'll experience a noticeable improvement in your reloading speed. It accepts a wide variety of aftermarket case prep tools thanks to its 8 to 32 threaded output shafts. This makes it highly adaptable to your specific needs. The aluminum body features a convenient retention slot for storing your cutting tools. This keeps everything organized and readily accessible. What we like. It boasts hardened high-speed steel tools that maintain sharpness for thousands of rounds. If you need durability and speed, this is the one for you. Its versatility and efficiency make it a great choice for high-volume reloaders. What people say. The prep base motor is heavy-duty, the speed it runs is not too slow or fast, it is just right. This little machine will cut your brass time in half. It is perfect for the reloader that shoots a lot of rounds. Capable up to very large calibers, and it works very well. Makes brass deburring and chamfering easy. Number 2. RCBS TM Chamfer Tool. This tool is precision crafted for superior performance in ammunition reloading. It's built to last, ensuring years of reliable use. It features a durable carbide design, built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. This ensures accuracy and longevity. It's engineered for durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any serious reloader. You'll appreciate its robust construction. The precision crafting ensures clean, consistent chamfering every time. This leads to improved accuracy and reliability. This tool simplifies the ammunition reloading process. It's a must-have for rifle and pistol reloaders. RCBS is a trusted name in the industry, known for high-quality products. This tool is a testament to their commitment to excellence. What we like. This tool is built to last and provide superior precision. If you prioritize quality and longevity in your reloading tools, this is an excellent investment. Its precision ensures consistent, high-quality results for your ammunition. What people say. This carbide replacement works very well. It's smooth and cuts very cleanly. Pictured here is the tool which I ordered and want. It is a solid one-piece carbide too, which works extremely well, is foolproof and would last forever. The actual chamfer tool that is shipped is better than the one pictured. There is no adjusting or fiddling, you just put it on your trim mate machine and start chamfering. It does a much better job than the original chamfer tool that came with the trim mate machine. Number 1. RCBS Brass Boss Trim Mate. This is the ultimate case prep center, designed for efficiency and precision. It features 6 high-speed rotating stations to make your reloading process faster and easier. It has 4 stations that rotate at under 350 RPM and 2 that spin at under 550 RPM. This allows you to customize the speed for different tasks. All the tools you need for each station are included. Plus, it has a handy storage area to keep everything organized. It operates on 120 to 240 VAC, so you can use it in the US, UK, EU, and Australia. No need to worry about voltage differences. It's backed by a 2-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. This is a reliable and durable tool that will serve you well for years to come. Upgrade your reloading experience with the RCBS Brass Boss Trim Mate. It's the perfect solution for efficient and precise case preparation. What we like. It offers high-speed operation with multiple rotating stations and is designed for global use. If you need a fast, adaptable, and internationally compatible case prep center, this is the ideal choice. Its versatility and speed make it perfect for high-volume reloading needs. What people say. This model had 6 rotating receivers for all your tool accessories and variable speeds, and 2 of receivers rotate at a higher rate, which is great for primer pocket swaging and cleaning. This works well and cuts process time way down. I've prepped about 700 cases so far and I have to say I'm spoiled. It's a little on the loud side, but not obnoxious or anything. Variable speed is nice. You can use about any tool out there with 8 to 32 threads. Huge time saver and a whole lot easier on the hands and wrists. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.